Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a new DIY on how to add more DEF fluid to your tank. This is getting low, that's why I had to refill with more DEF fluid. I'm gonna show you in this video how to do it, so you can do it yourself and don't go to the dealer, because the dealer is gonna charge you a lot of money to do this. So let me show you how to do it yourself. Okay, this is the fluid that I'm going to use. It's BlueDEF Platinum. This is the number. It's the same as the manual says. Has to be used, has to be approved and certified for diesel. So this is the one that I'm gonna be using in this time. Number 1 brand. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is open, push here to open. Make sure this is incorrect, this is correct. Make sure don't use this, because this is the wrong one. This is for diesel only. DEF is the blue one. So here I have to move a little bit on a screw, and then I'm gonna open this thing, the box. Right here is a little hose that I'm going to be used, and then this is the fluid. So this one has 2.5 gallons. It's more than enough, or it's enough to refill the tank. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do, remove this thing and connect the hose. Okay, remove this little safe plastic. Okay, now and start connecting the hose to the fluid tank. Okay, now make sure it's tight. Okay, now the next thing is connect right there. Okay, make sure it's right there. Start putting the fluid. Almost done. Okay, perfect. All in. Okay, remove carefully. Careful. Okay. Then the next thing is put it back. Right there. Done. Okay, now let's see how much fluid we need. Reading. Okay. Oh, 3/4, so need more. Need more. Okay, because was right here and now it's over here, so which is fine. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful. If you need to refill your DEF fluid in your diesel truck, this is a Ram 1500. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe, and thank you so much.